In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Asana for free. Asana is a popular project management tool that helps teams collaborate and stay organized. Now, you may think that tools like this could be pricey, but today I'll guide you through the steps to access it for free, making it accessible for everyone from individuals to small teams. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up your web browser and navigate to Asana's website. You can do this by typing in asana.com to get to their homepage. This is where you'll begin your journey to utilizing Asana's robust project management capabilities without spending a dime. Once you're on the site, the next step is to create a free Asana account. If you haven't done this already, you'll notice a Sign Up or Register button that you can click on. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address, create a password, and fill out any other details that might be requested. Once you've done that, Asana will send you a verification email. It's important to check your email and click the verification link to proceed with setting up your account. Now, Asana offers a free plan called Asana Basic. This plan is what you'll want to select. Even though it's free, it contains a suite of features that are quite comprehensive. With Asana Basic, you get access to essential project management tools like task management, various view options like list and board views, and basic integrations with other apps and services. The plan is ideal for individuals or small teams who want to streamline tasks and optimize workflows without any initial costs. An important thing to note is that the Asana Personal Plan, which is also referred to as Asana Basic, can accommodate up to 10 users in your project space. This means that if you're collaborating with a small team, you can manage their tasks and projects under this plan without any issues. Even within the confines of this free tier, you'll be able to manage projects, assign tasks, and leverage other essential features for basic project coordination. Of course, limitations arise if you require more advanced features that cater to larger teams or more complex project management needs. If you ever feel the need to explore some of Asana's more advanced offerings, you can opt for a free trial of their paid plans. This trial provides access to functionalities like timeline views, advanced reporting, and more extensive integrations, but only for a limited period. Once the trial period is over, you can decide whether you want to upgrade to a paid plan for more comprehensive usage or stick with the free version. After you've put together your account and explored the setup, click the Continue button to finalize everything. Log in as needed to start organizing your projects and tasks effectively. With access to Asana's foundational offerings, you're now set to boost productivity and enhance your task management like never before. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you elevate your project management game using Asana for free. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more such useful guides. See you in the next tutorial.